Hello, it's wonderful to see you again. This is the fourth and final video in our Patient Better onboarding series. Looking back to the first video, we established a baseline of where you stand in your care. In the second video, we explored the essentials of healthcare language. And in the third video, we learned how to ask purposeful questions that will move your care forward in a meaningful way. These newly developed skills are capable of doing some heavy lifting, but they become even more impactful when placed within the framework of what healthcare professionals call whole person care. Whole person care is a term used to describe care that looks beyond what happens in the exam room and goes further than treating a single diagnosis. Whole person care brings together the care you receive in the clinic with the decisions you make between visits, how well you understand your treatment plan, and how confidently you can navigate the system on your own. Now that you've been introduced to these ideas, we want to share a resource that can support you if you choose to deepen your understanding. The Patient Better Academy is where your whole person journey begins. The Patient Better Academy's courses focus on the care you receive in an outpatient setting, but the analytical and critical thinking skills you develop carry the idea of whole person care into your day-to-day life. This learning gives you the grounding to understand your care from the inside out. How to communicate clearly, stay organized, recognize what you need, and make sense of the information that comes your way. Whole person care brings together the care you receive in the clinic with the decisions you make between visits, including how well you understand your treatment plan and how confidently you navigate the system. And now that you've been introduced to these concepts, we want to share a resource that can support you if you choose to deepen your understanding. The Patient Better Academy is where your whole person journey begins. When you build this level of understanding, you are creating a foundation you can rely on throughout the rest of your life. If you are ready to build a stronger foundation for your health, the Patient Better Academy is the place to begin. This wraps up our Patient Better onboarding series, and we look forward to keeping in touch through our newsletters, connecting with you on social media, and supporting you with updates and insights as you continue your healthcare journey. And again, thank you for being the best part of Patient Better.